Hey friends, fall is in the air and I'm going to show you one of my favorite all-time muffins, Morning Glory muffins. I'm going to make muffin tops. Here are my muffin top pans. First, I get all of my dry ingredients. You have the brown sugar and the white sugar. I do a mixture of whole wheat and regular flour, and then we've got our spices. So I like to just toss all that together in a large bowl. Now, we're going to go to what I call the moist ingredients, and this is what creates the magic of Morning Glory muffins. This is shredded apple, and this is fresh pineapple. We have some raisins, some unsweetened coconut, some carrots, chopped walnuts. What we're going to do now is we're going to put all of this into the dry mixture. Now, we have 3 eggs, vegetable oil, then vanilla. Whisk it with a little fork. Pour this over the mixture. Get my spatula. Just want to get everything moist and blended, but you don't want to overmix, because if you overmix any type of bread, it can tend to make it tough. You want to keep scraping the bottom because that's where all the flour is. There you have it. Even though these are non-stick pans, always use a flour-based spray. Baker's Joy is one. You just want to spray liberally, and that will guarantee that there's no sticking. All we're going to do is put about that much in each muffin top. Okay, everyone. Now these are going into the oven. Stay tuned and I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, look how beautiful these are. I've already turned out one of the pans. I want to show you a trick for turning these out of the pan without breaking them. You always want to let them cool as long as you can, but you want to get just a flat baking sheet. Put your parchment paper on top, and then you just put it on top of the muffins, flip. There you have it. And then if they're warm, again, let them cool before you start turning them over, because warm bread will fall apart. These are absolutely delicious. So I hope this was helpful. You have a fabulous day.